Check the time on the bezel. Make sure roll at my level.
Grand spend with the Wall of Vibes with one of the hottest young producers in the business right now, Trackstar. Welcome, brother.
Up top phenomenon.
We know your work, but a lot of people don't know you personally. So it's good to put a face to the name. First of all, tell us 3 words to describe your sound.
Creative, weird, and futuristic.
Tell us about some of the productions that you're responsible for.
Best known probably for Walking Trophy.
Girl, you a walking trophy.
Hood Celebrity Walking
You a
Trophy.
walking trophy.
I have the new stuff that's running the street now, like the Soul Sauce by Kemar and Talk About. I have Chronic Law, Hilltop Gallus. I have Stylogy and Javelin, the Badman Party.
Spain town down there, bad man party. We run the ground, brother. Bad man party. My first dog, my sauce up.
You know, the list goes on. We have Two Can by Die, Where You Feel Like by Lincoln,
Well,
Get
yo.
High by Trabas. Enough to get things on
A
it.
lot of the names that you call aside from the the Javelin, they're all overseas acts. Why is that?
I'm based overseas. I work with artists that's in my proximity, you see me?
Yeah.
So I just decide there.
One of the things that we always hear often is that it's difficult for people for kind of break into, especially dancehall when they're not in the Mecca, in Kingston, in Jamaica. Was that a big challenge for you?
Of course, because I mean, I didn't get my break in Jamaica. But prior to working with, prior to getting the Walking Trophy, that actually kind of stamped me in the business. Hood Celebrity and Cardi B were like best friends.
Okay.
Yeah, Cardi B posted the song.
Eh?
Yeah, man. So once Cardi B posted it, I know this is after Cardi B had sang them Boda Kell and those songs.
Yeah.
They were under the same management,
Okay.
Hood Celebrity and Cardi. Granted, me I worked with Hood Celebrity from before she got signed
Yeah.
and got under the same management. That's the reason why we still work. Cardi B posted the song. You know, she's a big public figure, big star.
Yeah.
So
Superstar.
everybody else, exactly. So all the other people them see, you know, and it's an anthem. Walking Trophy. It worked. Her management team decided to just start spending some money into it. Went radio, do this, and they had the funding to do that. So it took off in America. It wasn't still here every time I call. Yo, nobody hear the song, Cause I remember I dropped it like the November.
Yeah.
New Year come, January, February, I still ask people, nobody hear the song. Them time later tear up foreign.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody, no.
Still
man,
the
still
people in
hear it.
Jamaica, it don't take on a Jamaica,
No,
catch
just
on
a
a
few
Jamaica yet.
people not catch on it. Forward like around Easter time, April. And I tell you, say, me I say a lie.
Every car, every
Yeah,
song.
man, it couldn't go nowhere, man, and a
Yeah,
year,
yeah.
man, you see me? And then the
Just become
summer,
an anthem for the girl.
anthem for the girl, them that whole summer.
Talk to you about the other big hit song now. How did you and Kemar Icon get for link up?
I'm that's my brother from long time.
Yeah.
You see me? So once we link, we power when we are foreign.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just so you know, he was a youth where dress up. And thing, you know, a fashion thing him do.
Theme thing that.
Yeah, so him used to say, when we just start recording, we had a song in a foreign to that did go big, Oh Gosh.
Yeah.
Oh Gosh. Where did that work in a foreign that just nobody in Jamaica
So
never
who
used
sing
it.
that song there?
Come on.
Eh?
Yeah, the measure I tell you, no people not gonna know because let me show you what happened now. People have to understand that you have to sing songs that match your image.
Yeah.
Match what you sell
Yeah.
as a brand.
Yeah.
Oh Gosh is not believable coming from Kemar.
Yeah.
Nobody look on Kemar and believes that him go through struggle even if he did.
Yeah.
You get my trying to show you?
Yeah.
So that kind of stuff, you want to hear that from a Jamil or a Virgin or, you know, somebody else in the street where you can say, you know what, I see that you up on the corner, I see him do this and do this, so I connect to this song.
Yeah.
Or re-up, I'm saying, you know what, we have to start do some song with match your thing.
Yeah.
Once you do that, them can't hold it.
Talk to me about what you're working on right now. How we know so the thing reach another level now with all of the hits down there belt right now.
I'm supposed to be working on an EP with Stylo.
Stylogy EP.
Yeah, me and him, Trackstar, Stylogy EP, you see me? We have some other works in the process. I want to call it until everything go
Yeah,
full
no,
through.
that's something. But I'm asking a
yeah.
question though. Because up to now, like, we don't hear say Trackstar do a juggling rhythm or nothing like that.
Music is so fast right now. For me, start a juggling and I wait upon 6-7 person for voice on the rhythm.
Yeah.
I faith. So I don't have time for that. I need to be able to have my product. Yo, voice, get a bad single, get straight to it.
Yeah.
More voice today and drop Friday. That's my energy when it comes to music. Because it's music, even though it's timeless, it can be timeless. It's fast paced, and so with that, more get it, execute, boom, right away. I'm going to do a juggling though for Christmas.
Yeah. So you mix your own thing then?
Mix, master, everything.
Man. Lastly now, Trackstar, tell us what most makes Trackstar intense.
besides girls, just good music, man.
Yeah.
Good music and vibes and Hennessy.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come be like you need a sponsorship there. Yeah,
Might
give
as
a
well,
call.
right? Facts.
That I go on. Trackstar, hottest dancehall producer right now. Look out.
Big up. Here? Mad.